a brand new car, living in that dream neighborhood that you want. This might seem like all dreams, but they are totally achievable. Well, my name is Jameson and that's what I do. I teach people how to trade and how to change their life for the better. And with trading, like everything else, you need education. Today we're going to be covering a lot of practice because I feel it is more important. I'm going to show you how you can take your balance 3 times in one day. All you have to do is watch this video to the end, so don't miss out on this opportunity, guys. Jump in on it. Let's make some money today. All right, guys, so let's add our indicators. We need fractals, moving average, and the Schaff Trend Cycle. Now to the settings. For MA, we change period to 100 and switch to SMMA type, and this boosts our analysis accuracy. I recommend making the line thicker for better visibility. Now to the Schaff Trend Cycle. First, adjust the style. I'll just change the main line color, customize as you prefer. This is what I'm going to be using. Also, changing the fast length to 25. That is our strategy, and it is now ready. Let me show you how we'll enter trades. First, watch the MA. When it's below price, uptrend. Above price, downtrend. So we're going to be explaining all that today. So now, analyzing the trend cycle. This indicator constantly breaches the channel's boundaries. Upper break means overbought and lower break means oversold. So when it re-enters the channel, expect a reversal. Price fell for too long, now it rises. So, or it rose too long, it's time to cool down. See how the trend cycle signals match price pullbacks. Combined with the MA position, we predict price direction. So we also have our third indicator that provides even more precise entry points. These are called fractals. These triangle markers identify key price signals, price levels, breakouts through them or bounces off and off several, whether price or anything. It reveals where a price can continue its movement or not. So fractals are very important. Let's examine some real examples. Here the assets rallied but failed to break. Let me show you here. It failed to break out the fractal level. Here we see a downside breakout. Now we'll combine all 3 indicators to time perfect entries. Let's implement this on a fresh chart. We're going to be entering short immediately. Here's why. The asset just crossed the channel midline while breaking this fractal level. So price made a strong rally attempt, but ultimately it rejected downwards. So Schaff Trend Cycle was previously overbought and now it sits in the oversold territory without an exit point. So this justifies our short position. So now we're going to be monitoring our trade progress. I also want to discuss trading literature with you today, because in the beginning of this video, I said I was going to show you how it works, both theory and practical. This is the theory. So do you read trading books? If not, I strongly recommend starting. They contain wisdom from veteran traders who dedicated their lives to these markets, so they have a lot of knowledge. Books let you absorb others' experience, making them invaluable tools for you to use in your trading journey. So our first trade is closed. We're going to be increasing the risk to $1,000 and awaiting new entry opportunities. Another setup should emerge shortly. So trading books comes in 2 types, instructional like textbooks and biographical like with authors. Personal insights, they focus on instructions and they deliver practical knowledge to you, the reader. So back to the market. National analysis is needed here. Same indicator signals, by the way. So we're going to be confirming our position. Let's focus on books instead. So I'll share my top 5 most read books for beginners at the end of this video. So quick advice, read challenging books. So books that push you to learn. I think those are the best books you should try to read. If the author's ideas make your brain, make you think, then it's exactly what is needed for you today. So mastering such books will give you pride plus valuable trading experience for pros. That's never wasted knowledge, and any knowledge that helps you is never bad for you. So these books typically break down trading strategies in depth, similar to my content, but in a more detailed fashion, because if you're reading something that has 500 pages, it's super detailed. So YouTube videos show concepts quickly, books explain them more thoroughly, like more in depth. So another profitable trade is closed here. The pair deserves more attention, so I'll pausing briefly before our next entry. So these strategic pauses come from day trading book I studied. The author stressed reassessing conditions before each trade, and it's a good habit, and it's a habit that has kept me trading all this time. So entering our third consecutive trade on the Euro USD here. So confidence will take easy money here too. A natural question arises, what is better for learning, books or videos? Well, my answer for you is both. Why not do both if you can do both? Because they complement each other. So I would advise you seek practical knowledge across all available sources. So read books, watch videos, learn anything you want to learn. And if you want to get even more practical knowledge, I have something for you, my Telegram channel. You can just subscribe to my Telegram channel, write to me, and I'll give you guidance that is deeply needed for you as a beginner to start trading today. Because I post useful materials on there and my trading, and you see how it's done in first person. So now I've got 3 information sources. Utilize them all, and oh boom, we've just closed another winning trade here. It's time to switch instruments. So let's take this at least one long position here. We've previously had some oversold conditions here. Now the price is rallying and already breaking above the central MA, and this coincides with the fractal crossover. So we expect further upside. Currently bouncing up after retesting fractal levels. So perfect, now we can comfortably wait for expiration. I haven't mentioned the second book category yet. These are traders' memoirs. You know, they are called autobiographic works. That means it was written by someone, by him or herself, about their experiences, and I encourage these too. So they contain fascinating stories, you know, and alternative perspectives on industry, seeing trading through others' eyes. You know, it will add value to your trading. If you have time, these books are worth your time, so get time and read them. So boom, another trade closed profitably. I believe we can conclude today's session, and we're going to be summarizing our results shortly. I'm truly excited about this episode. So you see, we've covered powerful trading strategies here together, and you've seen the results live for yourself. So I compiled a list of those books that I want you to read, and I've written them down here, and I'm going to be reading them out to you right now. You must read books. You have Technical Analysis, The Complete Resource by Jack Schwager. My absolute favorite, this book is game changing. It's going to revolutionize the way you view trading. I encourage you to read this book. And number 2 here, we have Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Number 3, we have The Elliott Wave Principle by Frost and Fletcher. And number 4, Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques. This is written by Steve Nissen. This book is essential. I recommend you read this one. And number 5, last but not the least, Liar's Poker. It's by Michael Lewis. This book is perfect for broadening your understanding of the market space when it comes to trading. Try and read each and every one of them. So I want you to join my Telegram channel, write to me, subscribe. We have a discount on pocket option that's going on now, 50% off. You can only get it via this channel. Link is in the description below. And subscribe, like, comment, leave a review for this channel, share it to your friends so that we can get more views, and I'll see you in the next video.